Cooter, I'm making salmon for dinner. I think we're gonna hit 1 million tonight. Oh, give me calf. I will summon him again. He has arrived. Have you been eating horse? Because your breath smells like horse. Puppy! Did you brush your teeth today? Cooter, you look like a dusty chinchilla. Cooter, what is your favorite food? Any specific kind? It's good, I will make it for dinner tonight. But first, you need to take a bath. Cooter, how many followers do you think we'll have by Christmas? Okay, should I make chicken or pasta for dinner? Cooter. Cooter, give me calf. Oh, your bath! What did you eat to make your breath stink so bad? I'm not being rude, you're just stinky. I love you, Cooter. You're so cute! What was that noise? Chicken. Cooter, guess what? It is laundry day. You have to help me do it. Why not? Cooter, I'm sorry for calling you a dusty chinchilla. Yes, I am! You're not even a dusty chinchilla, you're more just like a Cabbage Patch Cat. I didn't raise you to talk to me like that. I love you anyway. Cooter, do you know where you live? Why do you snort when you meow? What is your favorite color? Do you love me? Cooter, what do you want to be for Halloween? You could be a shark. How about a doctor? How about a fish? Cooter, are you excited for Halloween? You know everybody's pretty excited about you being a fish for Halloween. But if you're gonna be a fish, what should I be? Cooter, you want to know why I have allergies? Because I spend my days buried in the garden of Cooter. Cooter, you appeared to be sleeping. Did I wake you up? Cooter, you chose the right shoulder today. Now it smells like extra booty hole. I love you. Cooter, what is the powerhouse of a sail? Mitochondria. Mitochondria. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. You have to get up. I have to take the doggy outside. I know that makes you mad. I'm sorry. Cooter. Cooter, give me calf. Oh, your bath! What did you eat to make your breath stink so bad? I'm not being rude, you're just stinky. Come on, Cooter, you can do it. Put a little power to it. Coot gang. Cooter, will you make me some pancakes? Please, it's not even that hard. You're lazy. Cooter, why you meow so crispy? I mean, you literally stop airflow mid-sentence, you'll just be like, meow! Now you're trying to stop my airflow. Cooter, We hit 50 million likes on the tiki-taki. Need to tell your fans thank you. Now help me clean this house. Cooter, are you my best friend? How much do you love me on a scale of 1 to 10? You're the cutest baby and everybody loves you so much. Get a bucket and mop. Tessa. Cooter, that was a great performance. We've been practicing for weeks. Good job. I love you so much. You've really outdone yourself this time. Everybody's going to love it. Cooter, I hope you realize how important you are to me. I owe a lot to you and you are my best friend. I love you so much. You're still fat. It's Cotter the Talking Cat. Everybody wants me to call you a dusty chinchilla. What do you have to say to them? You're not a dusty chinchilla, you're a kitty. Cooter, I just had to carry 100 pounds of groceries up 3 flights of stairs and you didn't help me at all. I'm tired, my knees are weak and my arms are heavy. Cooter, what do you want to be when you grow up? I mean, you could be a firefighter, you could be a doctor, you just want to be cat? That's okay, I support your decision and I love you so much. Cooter, why does your whole body move when you meow? You're like a little balloon. At least you're cute. Cooter, are you having a lazy day? You're looking awfully cute today. You're very orange. You're welcome. Oh, he'd take a bath. Cooter. Damn, Cooter, your breath smells like... Need to brush your teeth once in a while. I'm sorry, I can't help it, your breath stink. Watch this. Cooter, are you in the bad mood? I give you butt sketching. There it is. Cooter, I got the haircut. Do you think I look snazzy? I am not the busted queen. That's really rude of you to say. You're a busted queen, actually. No. Now you're going to be nice to me, give me kisses. You really need to watch your mouth sometimes. Cooter, who do you think's going to win the election? Chicken? Chicken isn't running for president. Chicken for president. Cooter, I'm sorry for calling you a dusty chinchilla. Yes, I am! You're not even a dusty chinchilla. You're more just like a Cabbage Patch Cat. I didn't raise you to talk to me like that. I love you anyway. Cooter, do you know where you live? Why do you snort when you meow? What is your favorite color? Do you love me? Cooter. Okay, fine. Cooter Q&A. Cooter, if you could go to any state, what would that be? What is your favorite type of car? What is your favorite subject in school? Say happy cat. Hey, Cooter. I love you. Cooter, are you happy? Give Cooter the booty scratching. Cooter, you know what holiday's coming up? That's right, and you know what we're going to eat? I want stuffing and mashed potatoes and gravy. I know. Cooter kisses. I love you. Good morning. Good night. Yep. Hey Cooter, I love you. You're important. You are beautiful. You're obese. I give him booty scratching to cheer him up.